Okay, so the next thing we could do would be finding the midpoint of a line segment. Midpoint basically is the halfway point. A lot of times you'll see this with a circle. Find the center of the circle given two endpoints, something like that. So let's just pretend we have a circle. And we have a point here that's at 2, 8. That would be told to you. And a point here that's at -4, -10. I'm making these numbers up. Let's wait till it comes back into focus. If we wanted to find that midpoint, that's going to be the center of that circle. That's very useful. So we have to know how to do that. The midpoint here would be the average of the x's and the average of the y's. And if you're finding the average of two numbers, you add up your x's, so x2 plus x1, and you divide it by however many. So there's 2. Then you add up your y's and divide it by 2, and that would be the midpoint. So if we go through and label, we've got x1, y1, x2, y2, just like you do with the distance formula, and then plug them in. So we have -4 plus 2 over 2, -10 plus 8 over 2. When we simplify it, this is going to be my x coordinate, this is going to be the y. So that gives me -2 divided by 2, and also -2 divided by 2. When simplified, we get -1, -1. And that means that point right there falls at -1, -1. And if I would have had a grid there, it would have made a whole lot more sense, but the midpoint is just the average of the two values.